Welcome to the Weingartz Virtual Open House. Thanks for attending today. I want to remind you that the stores are open and we're here to serve you. Well, we thought we'd do this year because we're not able to hold our annual steak fry that we all look forward to every year. We put together some informational videos that hopefully will give you some insight on some things that can help you be more productive and more profitable in your business. Manufacturers play a key role in our success in helping us serve you. And they put together some great information to help you in your business. All these videos are recorded, but we will have a live question and answer at the end. So we basically just type in your questions as you go along, and then we'll have a question and answer period at the end. With these videos, if there's certain things that interest you, you can jump on and off, and they are all recorded. So if you're not able to watch them all today and want to come back to them, we will have them on our website afterwards. As we do every year, we do have special preseason promotions. We do have them all in a digital flip book, which you should have received the information on. But there again, feel free to reach out to the Weingartz representatives and they can help walk you through some of those great promotions, along with some special financing promotions as well. So it's a good way to kind of get ready for the season. Stop by, talk to us. If there's any questions after you watch any of the videos or any questions in general, please feel to reach out to any one of us here at Weingartz. Hopefully you enjoy the videos and have a great season.